Hi, how are you? Welcome to my Capstone project presentation. Before I start, please allow me to express my gratitude for this incredible course. Actually, it's my first step in the data domain, and I wish that I will dig deep into more details in this attractive domain in the coming future. Let's start with the presentation. First of all, we'll go through the agenda. We'll have a quick introduction, understand the context, define the use case, generate insights from data, manage and govern your data, select the right technology, leverage data science and analytics, build data-driven culture, then the last steps. For the introduction, I want to introduce the company I work with, that I'm building the data strategy for. It's an investment company that commits approximately $3 billion in capital per annum in private investments that include venture, growth capital, and small buyouts. Understand the context. What data do we have and how it's being used? Most of the analytics and dashboards are driven off Excel files. The current focus on analytics is on using historical data to understand what has happened, descriptive analytics. This only sheds light on wins, but we cannot learn from our losses to improve future outcomes. Data sources, data architecture, and data models to support business functions in predictive and prescriptive analytics do not exist. Define your use case. The use case I have selected in this Capstone project is the deal scoring. I will also talk about, after talking about the problem statement and the solution, I will talk about the targeted audience and their interactions and the business result. The problem statement is that our company receives thousands of deals for investment every year, and the team has limited capacity to analyze the deals and identify the best fit ones for investment. This can lead to potential delays in the deals. The investment teams would benefit if the incoming deals, could be automatically scored to provide recommendations for prioritizing the deals for screening and due diligence. This will enable the team to allocate resources to prioritize deals and accelerate their processing. Well, the solution for implementing this use case involves leveraging AI to assess and rank potential deals through analyzing historical data and predefined criteria encompassing industry, financial metrics, growth potential, and strategic alignment. AI-driven algorithms assign priority or probability scores to each deal. This enables the identification of high potential opportunities, guiding resource allocations for optimal decision-making, and enhancing our company's ability to pinpoint valuable investment aspects. The primary audiences for this use case is our investment analysts who rely on data for deal scoring. And about their interactions, we are focusing on implementing an AI-powered deal scoring system. Investment analysts will interact with this system by inputting deal data, and the system will provide deal scores, streamlining their decision-making process. For the potential business result, the overarching goal of this use case is to enhance deal assessment, accuracy, and efficiency. By automating deal scoring, we aim to reduce manual effort, accelerate deal processing, and allocate resources more effectively. Generate insights from data. We anticipate gaining insights into market trends, risk factors, and potential returns from deal-related data. This includes understanding historical deal performance, industry specific dynamics, and competitive intelligence. How can these insights benefit users? Well, these insights will empower our investment analysts to identify high-value investment opportunities more swiftly. For instance, they can make data-informed decisions by recognizing patterns in successful deals and assessing the risk associated with potential investment. Manage and govern your data. This is very essential and very critical into any strategic project, is the governance. As part of our data strategy, we have several deliverables related to data management, including but not limited to data storage, access, and security, to ensure that the data is secured, protected, and accessed by only authorized people. Also, all our deliverables should comply with our local regulators and with the global standards. Select the right technology. Actually, the technology I have selected in this Capstone project is the Microsoft Azure and also Azure Machine Learning and Azure Data Factory. Microsoft Azure offers a comprehensive suite of cloud services and tools that will underpin our data strategy. We will utilize Azure for data storage, processing, and analytics. It provides a scalable and secure environment for our data-driven initiatives. Within Azure, we plan to use services such as Azure Machine Learning for predictive analytics and Azure Data Factory for data integration. These tools will enable us to develop and deploy our AI-powered deal scoring system and all remaining use cases efficiently. Leverage data science and analytics. Okay. The role of data science and analytics in enhancing decision making. Data science and analytics play a pivotal role in turning raw data into actionable insights. They will empower our analytics to make informed investment decisions by uncovering patterns, predicting market trends, and assessing deal risks. How these techniques will be applied to the selected use case, the deal scoring use case we have selected earlier, we will employ data science techniques such as regression analysis and machine learning algorithms to create predictive models. These models will consider historical deal data, market variables, and other factors to assign scores to investment opportunities. Let us also talk about data modeling or analytics tools we are planning to use within the selected technology, Azure. Within Azure, we will utilize tools like Azure Databricks for collaborative data analytics and Azure Synapse Analytics for data warehousing, allowing us to build and manage our predictive models effectively. Build data-driven culture. Okay, the importance of fostering a data-driven culture, creating a data-driven culture is essential for maximizing the value of our data strategy. It encourages employees to base decisions on data rather than intuition. Also, as part of building data-driven culture, we need to promote data literacy among employees. And to do that, we will provide training programs, workshops, and resources to enhance employees' data skills. This includes educating them on data collection, analysis, and interpretation. And last but not least, is encouraging data-driven decision-making at all levels of the organization. We will encourage data-driven decision-making through clear communication of data-driven successes, incorporating data into performance evaluation, and incentivizing employees to use data for their decision-making processes. Now, what's next? Next steps. Data strategy implementation roadmap. We will have a roadmap for implementing our data strategy. Our implementation roadmap includes phases for data collection, system development, model training, and continuous improvement. For sure, we will set milestones for each phase. Also, we will have, let's say, short-term and long-term objectives. For short-term objectives, we might focus, for example, on building the data platforms, acquiring the required technologies, and implementing the quick wins use cases, the ones we see that they are easy to implement and it has a higher business value. One of them might be the deal scoring. For the long-term objectives, we will have the remaining use cases implemented and realized. Long-term objectives will also include continuously enhancing the systems, expanding data sources, and achieving a significant improvement in deal assessment accuracy over the next 2 to 3 years. Finally, strategy execution. For the strategy execution, we will allocate a dedicated team for strategy execution, including data scientists, analysts, and IT professionals. A detailed timeline will be established and resources will be allocated as per project requirements, ensuring timely completion and achievement of objectives. Thank you very much for listening. Again, thank you very much for this outstanding course. Thanks for all the learning facilitators, for all my colleagues in this journey. I wish them all good luck and success in their capstone projects. Thanks again and goodbye.